Questionable Engineering was founded in 2022 after a local high school's robotics team shut down, and the remaining members wanted a way to continue building robots and doing what they love. So they founded QE, and now it's a way for us to not only keep competing, but also for us to give back to the community in a way that helps people directly. So my name's Tanmai. I'm currently Business Project Manager here at Questionable Engineering. We're a community-based FIRST robotics competition team based here in Jersey City.
So we're a nonprofit. We're not associated with any high schools. So that allows us to take kids from any high school in Hudson County. So the original goal was we're a competitive robotics team. So every year we build a new robot for the FIRST robotics competition, and we compete in that. As part of that, I decided that it was important that the kids give back, not just take. And then that allows them to come to an event like this and use what they've learned, which is troubleshooting and thinking and using your research to open a part that maybe you've never seen, but you can still use your basic tools, your meters or your internet to service something that you don't know anything about. They do say that the Repair Café is one of their favorite events. I genuinely believe it gives them a good sense of satisfaction to come and repair someone's computer or someone's microwave or whatever vacuum.
My panini grill was like smelling of rubber, like burnt rubber. So I decided to come here and have it checked. I came here and they opened it up all. They realized what the problem was. Probably there were some rusty parts. Not really a broken part, but like rusty, probably needed cleaning. The group here, they advised me against submerging into water. They are super helpful. I'm just very proud of being part of this community. It is awesome.
Questionable Engineering brings in a team of kids, and they do the repairs under the guidance of a couple of adult mentors. So it's kind of like a win-win where the kids are learning skills, they're learning how to talk to people in the community, and we just get a whole slew of talent coming in. We're probably able to get through about 4 times as many repairs in a single session having Questionable Engineering versus not having them here.